Is it worth anything? Today we are talking about Belleek, which is Irish porcelain. It was started mid-1800s. I get varying different dates when I do the research. It is what's called a Parian-ware, P-A-R-I-A-N, which is a very translucent, very delicate porcelain. And today I'm primarily talking about the shamrock and basket weave. They do other patterns and they do other different things, the company does, but I'm primarily talking about that because that's what I often see in the antique shops. There are a lot of fakes out there, so if you want to be a true collector, you really should probably get the book that explains all about the different marks on them and everything else, because they are marked on the bottom. So the book is Belleek, The Complete Collector's Guide and Illustrated Reference. That's a long name. It was published in 1993. It's still available on Amazon. It's $62, but it tells you everything you need to know about collecting Belleek. So is Belleek worth anything? Well, the pieces that have been recently sold on eBay, the majority of them ran between $20 and $40. There were some pieces that brought quite a bit more. And as I said, Belleek did other lines, not just the shamrock and basket weave, but that's the one that most people think of with the Belleek. So yes, there is value in it. And of course, the older pieces very much have some value. Tell me if you collect Belleek, if you've ever seen it before, and I will put the name of that book in the comments below. So in case you're interested, you can find it. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.